Okay, what's behind the skin on your camper? This is a really pretty camper. Show you something really quick. Look at this. Why is there a gap right here? This thing looks pretty good. Just like any camper on the road, you know. Well, most campers on the road. Looks pretty nice. You see it from the outside, but what's behind that skin? How do you know? Where's your x-ray vision? Well, let's look at this. Why is there a gap? Here's why there's a gap. This is OSB plywood, and that's what makes up your bench inside, right? See how thin it is over here? See, it gets wider and wider and wider and wider and wider and wider. Well, what it's doing is it's taking this rail and it's moving it down. So you can see this gap here. The strength of that expansion is way higher than the friction strength here. So that's all that's happening, is there's actually some extensive water damage in that wall. Something else is going on. Even though it looks really pretty, it's super hard, nice and solid feeling. That's simply because your exterior skin is nice and thick and strong. It's called gel coat. But yeah, no, that was just a quick one. Really good to know what it looks like behind there.